All right, so this is not good camp etiquette here. It's all over. Glass. Do not do this when you're camping because we're backpacking. We can't carry this out. I mean, if it was cans or something, sure. But yeah, this is not the way to do things, right, Boogie?
Yeah, we have to move the whole entire rim now because of these people that came and didn't think about like who's coming next and what they will have to do. And it's not just this, it's all over the fire pit too. So that's bad for the animals that are around here. So just think about like all this, because we get to have all this. If people keep doing this, one day we might not be able to.
That's right. That's right. So we're gonna move. We're gonna
whole
move.
Rim now.
We're gonna move the rocks over there. We had a rock explode in our last video.
Check that one out.
Yeah. We don't want glass exploding on us.
No.
That seems more dangerous. So. I guess before we leave, we'll bury it. We'll dig a hole.
I
guess that's the best way.
Because animals can't get to it and...
It's cooling down a bit. And the Boogie found a perfectly dead tree.
But it's covered in like thorns, like...
Yeah.
So it's going to be difficult.
This is one of her new toys, the Gum Boy.
The silk.
I figured,
It's like
silky saw. Yeah, I figured this would be easier for her to use than my. And
I actually watched the video on it, and he didn't know that it could do this. So you know how you just open it? There's a button that says press that you normally close it with, but he didn't know this. If you press it and lift it up, and there's something on the ground that you need to cut, you can just cut it. You learned something.
I did. Every time with you, Boogie.
I know. That's so amazing. Are you okay?
I'm good.
We did it! I did it! We both did it!
Perfect. A couple more right there. did it! So what do you need to explain about this axe?
So, I got it for my birthday, but it came a little late. So I finally have it. Shout out to Pop, because he used fire and spelled my name. Well, my nickname, Boogie, on it. And it's a very nice wooden axe. So, I go to cut with the axe.
Alright. But it's a 2-foot axe, so how do you have to use it correctly?
You have to make sure your legs are apart. So if you swing, you don't hit, like if you're like this, if you swing and hit your leg, you're not going to feel good. So you got to go like this and go. So if you go like that, you just go like that. Or you could go like kind of slow and not like go hard. You could just go like that, pick it up, and then down.
We'll see.
Okay, I haven't done it in a long time, so. Remember, if you watch my Around the Fat Can Spring video.
Back up. Back up. There you go. Now give it. Yep. Now get it. What is that? Alright, that's a perfect piece right there. Perfect piece for you. So stand back. You want to reach out. You don't want to stand here and do this. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to reach out. Okay? Reach out!
Oh, goodness.
There you go. Oh, look. You did it.
I did it.
It's so easy.
Kill you.
Yeah. So this is cotton balls. Yeah, it feels terrible. Petroleum jelly. We did this in our last video. However, I didn't record it. Am I recording now? Yeah. Okay. So.
Can I feel it?
Yeah, it's just like.
Ooh, can I put it down?
Sure. And then light it on fire.
So like right here.
Do it right there.
Okay.
And supposedly they'll burn for a really long time. There's no pine or anything up here. So we had to baton and split a whole bunch of wood.
I'm putting that right there.
See it. Good job, Boogie.
First try on the second try.
Yeah. So the cotton balls and Vaseline, they do work. Yummy! Yeah, that's not the right top for this pot. Like I said, we were moving, so
That's what we get.
What we have?
Dad,
Yes, ma'am.
here's my bowl.
Oh, you want some chili?
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't burn it.
Oh! We did not burn it, and Dad did not knock it over. This tree branch right here, or this branch, almost did.
Goodness, so good. You know, it'd be really good with this chili. A leaf. Oh, it's right through my leg.
Magic.
Or cornbread.
Cornbread. I would rather eat cornbread.
Major shout out to who?
Oh.
Thanks, Pop.
He made the chili. He made the cornbread. And he's also the one that put Boogie on my axe.
Yeah.
So, double shout out to him. Because he did all this for us, just for this camping trip.
It's been a good one.
Mhm.
It's been a good one. Thanks, Pop.
Next time you should come.
Yep. That's a good idea. Weather took a turn once again.
It's cold outside.
It's cold and it's raining. I think it's like 33 degrees. It would snow at 32. Oh, I need to blow my air mattress up. It's not very stout. Boogie's. She's tired. I'm tired. Beautiful place. That's not right. No. This morning is super windy.
Oh, and last night I half rolled out of the tent and my arm was out of the tent and it was raining on my arm. I'm like literally not joking, I was freezing.
I know, I kept grabbing your sleep pad and like dragging you over this way.
I kept falling.
Maple bacon.
You brought the maple?
Good. Let's cut it up and throw it on here. We're cooking inside the tent because
It's so windy outside and it would fall over. And we all know that my dad can't control himself in knocking over stuff. So if the wind and him compared, we wouldn't have breakfast. So
still might not. Eventually one of these days I'm going to invest in a different stove. Boogie would like grits with her bacon.
I already ate.
She already ate. Well, there's a little bit left. Grits and bacon. We are in the South. Well, we're in North Carolina, but it's considered the South. Cheese grits. Grits and bacon.
Grits. Instead of bacon.
Thank you, Jesus, for this trip, for this great time together, and this wonderful food.
It's hot. That's good. Stop it.
Boom.
Ah! Wow! Ah! What are you doing?
I'm like 80 years old. I'm an 80-year-old man.
I'm gonna go on 3. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2!
Let's move the camera closer.
I'm gonna die. And I'm gonna count to 2. 2. That's as long as you get.